Hi friends, today I have come again with a new video and where we have discussed about the Poco Pad. Uh, so let's get started. Hi friends, today update is Poco Company revealed the Poco Pad today and it's first tablet which is launched by the Poco Company. Of course, and it has been designed for both work and play. Is not an entirely unique device though. In fact, the tablet has more than a passing resemblance to the Redmi Pad Pro. And the pad has a 12.1 display, and the most of the budget was probably spent on it. And it's a 120 Hz refresh rate LCD with a 2.5K resolution with a 68 billion colors in a 12-bit. The peak brightness is a 600 nits, and at the lower levels, users can enjoy a flicker-free experience with DC dimming feature. Poco says this tablet is optimized for both entertainment and work, so it picked a 16 is to 10 aspect ratio, which strikes a good balance between the two. On the entertainment side of things, there are four speakers with Dolby Atmos. Also, the displays support Dolby Vision for higher quality image when streaming videos. Speaking of the like 10,000 mAh battery inside the tablet should last 16 hours of non-stop video streaming. Charge isn't done at 33 watt, and Poco says that 15 minutes of charging are enough for 26 hours of music playback. Basically, those uses the tablet to listen to music. The Poco Pad is powered by Snapdragon 7S Generation 2, which is also used on the Poco X6, which also recently launched. Here it is connected to 8 GB of RAM and 250 GB storage, but people with massive digital collections will be pleased to hear that the tablet supports micro SD cards up to 1.5 TB, which is amazing. Features which are provided by the Poco company on this tablet. This being a Xiaomi product, the best part is it's run Hyper OS, which offers some cool features with a companion Hyper OS phone. You can cast your phone's screen to the tablet. For example, this feature lets you drag and drop things between the tablet and the phone, text, files, images. But you can also use the shared clipboard for that. Another neat thing is that the tablet can be tethered to your phone with a quick tap. The Poco Pad has a sleek metal unique body that measures 7.52 mm thick and weight 571 gram. It comes in a gray and blue colors options, so you can go and buy as per your color choice. I think it's really the best part is they're providing a metal body, which is amazing thing because that feels premium. I hope guys you know very well because it's a completely we can feel the difference with the plastic body and the metal body. So this is the best part which Poco company has provided in this Poco Pad. It's the first ever tablet launched by Poco. Poco has created a Poco Pad cover for extra protection on the go. But if you do plan to use the tablet for work, you can also get the Poco Pad keyboard. There's a one more option which you can see in this image as well. There is a pad with the keyboard. It is a very helpful basically, right? And there is a Poco Smart Pen too, which is amazing. I think feature or you can say offer which is offered provided by the Poco company. This is the best part, which we can as per usage we can buy the keypad and the smart pen, a smart pen which will help for the note making and the sketching as well over the tab, especially for the creative people. They can be very useful. So just note down this thing. The Poco Pad is available today with an early bird price. It's around $300. This is only the one version, 8 GB and 250 GB space. So you just have to pick which color you like. After the launch promo is over, the pad will sell at a regular price, maybe 330 or maybe more than $330. And if you want to pick up one of the accessories, the keyboard is $80 and the pen is the $60. And the basic cover is just $20, which is very, I guess it's a very cheap and amazing offer which provided by the Poco Company. In a nutshell, you can check the all the features which provided by the Poco Company in this Poco first ever tablet. So like you can see like 12.1-inch IPS screen, 1600 by 256 pixels ratio, 259, 249 ppi, 120 hertz refresh rate, which is amazing also. And this is the best part, 600 nits brightness. This is amazing. You guys going to enjoy Netflix series and movies on this tab, which is a great experience. Really, Poco did a very good research and efforts to make this tab. And the battery backup is also amazing. It's a 10,000 mAh battery backup, which is very good. And the 33-watt fast charging, this is quite decent as well. And there's a option variant, 8 GB RAM with a 256 GB storage, and UFS is 2.2. And this the thickness is 7.5 thickness, 571 gram of weight of this tab, and the launch date is May 2024, which is already on. And it comes with Android 14 support and no same 3.5 jack Wi-Fi version, and it has a 8 megapixel camera on the same 8 megapixel camera for the front camera as well. And this come with the processor is Snapdragon 7s Generation 2. Just keep this, it's our octa-core processor, and it's a very good decent processor. And if you have noticed that generally people thought it's a Snapdragon 7. I think if you notice that it's a 7s, which is recently launched by the Snapdragon company, and it is more powerful and fast when you compare it with the Snapdragon only 7, and this is 7s, which is very good thing which Poco have provided. And as I told above, early bird access price is a 299 uh, dollar, and in India it's around 25,000, 24 to 25,000 rupees will at rupees price will be available. Yeah. So just why what are we waiting for, guys? Just go and buy today. I hope guys this informative video you liked it, and if you want to see more coming new technical and latest news update video, so just subscribe my channel, like this channel, and share this video as much as possible. Okay guys, thanks, have a great day, take care, bye.